No, because I say later I do something again and then on the other side. Hello everybody, welcome. Welcome, help me like and share. Today what we will have is, as you can see, we have durian mochi, we have gula melaka mochi on the table, ota, and then we also have another ota here, all from Muar. Okay, all our ota is all from Muar. Then, here a special promo is called as Kluang Mooncake. Did I pronounce it correctly? Kluang Mooncake. Hi! Hello! Okay, so we do like and share. Okay, we are going to do like and share lucky draw later. The winner can win a durian mochi. Okay, finally we set up everything ready all for you. Okay, so help me like and share. Alright, let me see whether y'all can able to hear me properly. If you cannot hear me properly, the music is too loud. Okay, you just let us know. Alright, over here we all relax one. So help me like and share. Later we are going to have like and share lucky draw. Okay, so those people who like mooncakes, mooncakes. Yeah, this is considered mooncake, right? Those people who like mooncake, later we were going to try. Okay, those people who like durian mochi also we're going to try. Okay, one by one I'm going to show you. This will be my first one. Later we will try together. Okay, I will explain to you about this. Especially I think this is my first time eating the one from Muar. Okay, ota from Muar. Alright, so I'm very excited. Okay, for now I cannot see my video. Why see, I cannot see on my well, I need to see whether. Huh?
I can see.
You can see, yeah. I think my phone got problem. Okay. We are going to start at least 15 viewers. Help me like and share. Okay, 15 viewers we're going to start. Okay, if never hit, never mind. Okay, we are still going to start. Alright, so y'all can able to see all the food over here in the table. I'm so excited to try everything. Okay, yeah. Once you're done liking and sharing, comment LNS. Okay, are we gonna go and comment later? I think later comment later. Then after that, I'll write down your name, same thing as what I do at COVID-20. Okay? So help me like and share, come. Okay? So as what I mentioned to those people who are not able to hear me just now, okay, probably you just came in. We have different kind of food today. We have durian mochi, gula melaka mochi, okay. Then we also have ota. Then we have ota from Muar itself. This one is the packet kind of ota. Okay, the whole packet is ota. Okay, the whole thing is ota. Alright. Then those people are actually interested on other things like black sesame, mango, peanut, matcha red bean, strawberry cheese, matcha durian cheese and palm sugar, right? Okay, you all can actually ask us. You can just comment here. Okay? So once you're done, again once you're done, like and share, comment LNS, so at least we know that you already like and share. Okay? If I'm not wrong, over here, if you want to have a share tag, you're able to see a share tag itself over there. Okay? Hi everybody, nice to see you all here. Okay, share my live video to your friends, share my live video to groups. Okay? So if you have a group, if I'm not wrong, also we have a share tag. Okay, we have a share tag. Alright? So we are going to start soon. Help me like and share, come. Okay? So it's my very first time using my own account now, so if you can support me to liking and sharing, will be good. Okay? So later we will try one by one all the things that is on the table. Okay? So are you all excited? I'm also excited. Okay? Because we've been trying to set up this whole day, right? The whole day since just now, right? By right we're supposed to start at 2 PM. Okay, 2 to 3 PM. Then end up now we are about 3 PM, which is good. Now all set up already, all for y'all to go and show you and showcase you. Okay, so here as you can see on the screen, right, is actually from Boss Singapore. Those people actually want to see more about this showcase, right? You can go to the website www.bosssingapore.com. Okay, www.bosssingapore.com, and all the things that you can see on the table, got more things over there. Alright, so I'm going to start now. Alright, I want to show you this first one, that first ota bun that I have not tried ota bun in a while. I think the last time that I tried was like 2 years ago. Okay, as you can see, it looks like this. Okay, you can see. Very soft, you see? Very soft. Okay, so this one very simple. Once you receive the packet already, okay, once you receive the packet, you can just store it in a freezer. And how many days will it call? Then after that can how many days we can keep this one? Okay, we will check for you how many days we can keep. Then at least once you receive from us already, probably let's say only 1 week, then you can eat makan slowly. If I'm not wrong, you put it in a freezer, it can even last longer. Okay, let me try this one first.
Frozen 1 year.
Frozen 1 year. Wow! Frozen 1 year. Okay. So this one you can use a fork, or you can use your own hand just to go and remove. Oh my god, also it's nice. There's a kick on the tongue once you bite it. Okay. Hamila and Share, later you can bring a durian mochi. Okay. Durian mochi also all from Malaysia. Okay. Later I'm gonna explain to you all the mochis that we have. How much is it? Okay. So if you have any questions, you can just ask me. Because this one is really nice. Okay, Limpe, Dennis, thank you so much for liking and sharing. 20 groups. Okay guys, help me like and share. We can win a durian mochi. Okay, this durian mochi, how many pieces inside? 6, right? Yeah, 6 pieces inside. 6 pieces inside of durian mochi. You like durian, I can get the durian mochi. Only just for liking and sharing. Okay, hi everybody. Nice to see you all here again. Okay, I'm not eating an otah bun. This otah bun is only costing promotional price of $4 per packet. Okay, $4 per packet. If you buy 5 from me, I will give you free 1 packet. Okay, how many packets inside? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 packets here. Okay, you can get 6 packets. 6 pieces of otah bun, and you get 5 from me. I will give you 1 for free. That means 6 packets only for a price of 5 packets. Okay, so it looks like this. Wow, very nice. Okay, so Hamila and Share, come. If you have any other questions, you can just ask me. Like for example, how much is this, how much is that? I'm very interested on the one you're eating. Okay, you can just ask me as well. Very nice. I currently have 2 here in the packet. Otah bun itself. I cannot finish the 2, so probably test try lah. But the whole thing you can see I hold by my hand now. It's this large. Okay, it's this big. Okay, you can see total of 6 pieces inside. Total of 6 pieces inside in 1 packet. Okay, if you are interested, you can just inbox us. Okay, ask us any question through inbox or ask me here. You can just inform us that you are interested on getting 1 packet, 2, 3, 4 or 5 packet. I give you free packet for otah bun. Okay, the otah itself inside is from Muar. Okay, if you all know about Muar, right? They are very popular in otah. Okay, one of the most popular otah from Malaysia. Okay, I think a lot of Singaporeans know about it as well. Okay, so this otah itself is actually very a lot of otah they put. Sometimes when I try other kind of otah bun, right, the otah inside is very little. Okay, you can see there's a lot inside. Okay, filled with otah. Okay, and it's very soft. Especially if you try to steam it, right? Very hot, right? Then outside is actually quite soft, but inside otah also is soft itself. Once you bite it off, you can taste the spiciness. Okay, but not very spicy. Okay. To me, right, I'm a type of person, if I eat food, right, it's not something that I like when it's too spicy. Okay, I like it when I bite it, there's a kick of spice, right? But it's not very spicy to the point that I have to drink water. Okay, this one there's a kick of the spice, yes, but it's just nice. Okay, so this one ready to eat or must cook it first. Okay, this one is best if you can steam it. Okay, so you steam it, then you can eat it. Okay, if I'm not wrong, it's ready to eat, right? The otah is already cooked. Okay, the otah is already cooked. It's ready to eat. It's $4 per packet only. Okay, again, if you're interested, you can order through inbox or you can just comment through here. Okay, ask us any question like Sofan asked me. Okay, Shania at PMU, thank you. Okay, so my admin with me will actually reply you, so no problem with that. Okay, currently I'm not the one who can reply you, but my admin is the one. Okay, so tell what time you coming. Coming where? Then to Amir, I see good eat or not. It is really good, trust me, it's really good. Okay, the bun itself, right, is very soft, and For some reason, there's some layers on the bun, okay, outside layer. Then after that, the bun is inside. You see the grains? Okay, once you bite it right, it's easily eatable. Okay, eatable.
Edible.
Edible. Alright. After this, I will showcase you different kind of mochis we have. But I will also showcase you a clown mooncake as well. Okay, this clown mooncake. How is it like? Look like this. Okay, so again, those people interested on this, okay, those people who are looking at me right now, because I'm not sure whether you are around just now, I have been explained. 6 buns with ota already inside, ready to eat. Okay, you can just put it on the freezer. You can keep it for 1 year. Okay, as long as you keep it on the freezer. But if you want to eat it, you can just bring it out. Okay, one by one, you put it on a plate or just baking paper. You put it on an oven to heat it up. Okay, or you want to steam it. Okay, normally you don't put it in the oven. Usually you put it on a steamer. Okay, you steam it and that's it. You can just start eating it already. Okay, yeah. Buy 5, I give you 1 packet for free. Okay, this is considered 1 packet. Alright, this is considered 1 packet. Okay, so I finished with this one first, and then we move on to the next one I want to show you, which is the plum mooncake. Okay, we are going for the plum mooncake after this. Okay, I believe now what time? 3 p.m. I believe a lot of people actually basically be having their breakfast, tea break, this kind of things. So if you want to order from us, you can order. If they order today, when they can receive? Friday. Okay? You order today, you can receive this coming Friday. Okay? I'm still eating the ota until now. It's really nice, trust me. I think y'all will thank me once you receive it already. So now 1 packet, one whole thing like this, $4. Okay? I'll give you 1 packet if you get 5. Okay? So very simple, you just don't eat when your mouth is full. Good. Okay, very simple. Now we move on to the next one. Okay, the next one I have here with me is called the. Before we go to clown, I want to show you the fish otak from Muar. Is it Muar? Am I pronouncing correct? Okay, this one, whatever you see here on the otak bun, right? It's a otak also from Muar. Okay. If you don't like buns, you want to eat the ota itself. Okay, you don't like buns, you want to eat ota yourself. You can get this whole packet of ota. Okay, whole packet of ota from Muar, only for $4. Okay, same thing. You buy 5 packet. I give you 1 free pack. Okay, help me like and share, guys. Those people actually came in down here right now with me. Help me like and share later. We will do a draw. Someone will win a durian mochi. You need to be around now once we do a draw. Okay, so you just stay with me, just chillax. Alright, so those people who wants to know and ask how much is delivery, let's say I want to buy this one, okay, this is $4, right, okay, I want to buy 5 packets because this one is from Muar and super delicious, okay, and it's very popular with Singaporeans, okay, because this one it came from Muar, Malaysia, and then they actually make this right into a very nice kick of spice, and yet it's not too spicy, okay, just nice, and it's halal, okay, it came from Malaysia, meaning it's halal as well. Okay, so this one, $6 delivery, any kind of item, any kind of food that you get from me, $6 delivery. You spend $100, I give you free delivery. Okay, you spend $100, I give you free delivery. So if you buy from me today, you will receive it this coming Friday. Okay, so like and share done. Thank you, Karen. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, once you're done like and share, if possible, you can just comment, okay, that you are done like in sharing. So at least we all know that you already done. Okay, so again, all the things you have seen here right now, all start from $4. Okay, all start from $4. Okay, just now I showed you this is 1 packet $4. Alright, this is 1 packet of 1 packet 550. Sorry, 1 packet 550. This is $4. Fish otak 1 pack. Okay, 1 pack. Okay, 5. Buy 5, you get 1 free. Okay, 1 free pack. Alright, there is actually expiration date as well. You can see over here as well. Okay, so if you want to get this, you can just inbox us or just comment. It's very delicious, soft, okay, full of flavors. Really full of flavors. I tried it personally myself. if you buy from me this, you already know, right, that this one also tastes very delicious because this bun itself together with the otak inside, okay, is similar. It's the same as this itself. Okay, it's nice to actually mix with rice lah. Honestly, I tried to mix with rice. I tried to mix with normal bun. Okay, instead of it's a pre-made kind of bun. I try to use bun itself to mix with the otak. Okay, it's delicious as well. Okay, so now we move on to the Kluang mooncake. Okay, so as I mentioned, this one is about 550. The fish otak itself only one pack $4. $4 only. 5 pack, 1 free. Okay, for those both food itself. Okay, we move on to the Kluang mooncake. Okay, let me show you Kluang mooncake look like this. You can see Kluang mooncake. Okay, so Kluang mooncake we have 3 flavors per box. Okay, inside box got 3, is it? Got 3.
Yes.
Okay, inside box I got 3 of this huge chunk here. Okay, oops. Okay, inside one box I got 3 of this. Alright, once you cut it into half, you can see there's a salted egg inside. Okay, there's a 3 layer on this one, which is, I believe this is a pandan, right?
Pandan, yes.
Okay, this pandan, you can see a pandan outside is crispy. You can see it's crispy. On this first layer, second layer, you can see there's this a bit of cream. I think cream. Still a bread or cream. Okay, then on the top, the egg just okay, you can see that's legit egg. Okay, so that is the salted egg that you will receive. Okay, let me cut one for you. This is a lotus. Is it a lotus or red bean? Y'all can guess which one it is, lotus or red bean. Okay, you will see I open for you. Okay, once you cut, you got, see, both egg like this. You see? Very easy to cut. You see, I try to cut it. Okay, very easy to cut. Then, those people who are interested without the egg yolk for this, we have again 3 flavors. Pandan, lotus, and then we also have red bean. Okay, if you're interested on each, you can just comment or you just PM us. Okay, the 3 flavors, it comes with 1 box. Okay, 1 box. I'm not sure whether it can mix and match. I don't think it can mix and match. Okay, I need to check with them first. Okay, if for example, me myself personally, I like pandan. Okay, 1, 2, 3 pieces of pandan, 1 box without egg yolk is $18. Okay, with egg yolk is only $19. Okay, so this one,
can mix. This.
Yeah. The 550 later I will explain to you what are the 550. Just now I showed you already. The otak bun only for 550. 5 packet of this will give you free 1 more packet. Okay, 5 packet, free 1 more packet. The durian mochi, gula melaka mochi, etc. All the mochi that we have can mix and match together with my otak bun. Okay, so what is this? Yeah, this one I don't think they can really put about it. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, I'm going to eat this, the lotus. I think it's lotus. Yeah, this lotus, right? Okay, later we'll eat this. We're going to eat this now. Alright, like and share to what? I saw 20,000 group. Okay, let's see. Like and share 200 groups worldwide. Wow, thank you. 200 groups worldwide. Please take note, over here is Singapore based, but it's okay to view me even though you're in Philippines or Malaysia or Taiwan, whichever place you have. Okay, so this one I will try to eat and let you know the taste of it. It melts in your mouth. It's very creamy. Once you taste, right, you put it inside your mouth, right, it's eventually dissolved inside your mouth. Okay, they call it a Kluang mooncake. If you have tried Kluang mooncake before, you will know. This is really nice. The first time I tried the mooncake, you know those round kind of mooncake. Okay, once you cut into half, I also got an egg yolk. This one is different kind of mooncake. Okay, like a bit of crust on the top. It's very good. Okay, so those people who want to order again can comment or just inbox my Facebook page. Or what's this? WhatsApp. Okay, you can WhatsApp 8607-7107. Okay, we will comment. Yeah, I can see the balik. You can see from here.
You can see it.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
From here.
Oh, I like the egg yolk. The egg yolk is the one that tastes really good.
Yeah.
You mix together with the top and the bottom crust. You mix together, you will taste the difference really. Compare without the egg yolk. Okay, I suggest you get egg yolk. It's only $1 difference. Okay, $18 without the egg yolk, $19 with the egg yolk. You will have, okay, this whole chunk here, three of this in one box. Do you have a sample of one box? Then I can show them. Yeah, one box there I can show like this over there.
The mooncake.
Yeah, the mooncake. Okay, so after this we are going to move on to the mochi, very very delicious mochi here with me. I got durian mochi and gula melaka to taste in front of you, but we have more of that. Okay, we have more of that. In fact, we have a durian mochi, black sesame mochi, mango, peanut, matcha red bean, strawberry cheese, matcha durian cheese, and palm sugar. Okay, so later we are going to move on after this mooncake itself. So if you like this kind of mooncake, you can just PM me or just WhatsApp 8607-7107. Okay.
Mooncake also.
Huh?
Mooncake also.
Mooncake also. Okay, mooncake also already. So thank you so much. But if you want to order more of this, you can just PM us. Then probably we can pre-order for you. Okay, we move on to mochis. Okay, my favorite mochi. I will go nearer to the camera and try to poke in front of you how soft it is, how delicious it is as well. Okay, my favorite and the one that you can win for like and share lucky draw. Just stay with me later. Must be around when we do like and share lucky draw. This is the durian mochi. Okay, so how much is the durian mochi? Okay, how much is the gula melaka mochi? Jess, I'm interested on your mochis. Can I do mix and match? Can. Okay, 5 packets you get 1 mochi for free. Okay, 5 packets you get 1 mochi for free. Let me show you this. Okay, the box is pretty nice. I can give you as a present now. I know some people actually use this to pre-pack. Okay, make it until so nice. Then after that, give it as a present to their loved one. Okay. Come on guys, just buy this one only. So cannot see. What do you mean so cannot see? Okay, so let me show you the mochi, durian mochi. I go nearer to you. Okay, it looks like this. Alright, you can see 4 of these pieces are already cannot eaten. Meaning to say it's so good, right? Before even going for live. Okay, it's so delicious. You see how soft it is or not? Okay, later I'm gonna take a bite. Then I'm gonna show you how the durian is like. Okay, even this one I tried even before this live. When I tried the soft part over here, it already tastes like durian. For some reason, I feel like this one is already pre-tasted as a durian itself, pre-ingredient as a durian itself. Okay, so I'm gonna bite one. Okay, I'm gonna bite one and let you all know about it. Hey, let me show you. It looks like this, so delicious. I can see the durian itself is filled with durian. Okay, you can see it's very delicious. Okay, it really melts into your mouth. It really melts into your mouth. Okay. Very nice. Okay, wait, let me try to. Oh my god, the durian is actually mixing all together inside my mouth. Okay. Adi, thank you so much for liking and sharing. Thank you, Jerome. Okay. This one comes with 6 pieces inside. Okay. How much is per box? Only $5.50. Okay. $5.50 only. But if you get from me 5 boxes of any mochi or mix up with my otaban, okay, also $5.50 per packet, I'll give you 1 free packet. Meaning to say, let's say, hey, I love durian, I love the durian mochi. Gula melaka, okay lah, but I want to try the durian first. But I also want to try the otaban. Okay, you can get 4 of this and 1 of this. I give you 1 free packet, whichever you want. You want 1 of this, 1 extra 1 of this. Okay, so total $5.50 times 5 how much? Okay, we use a calculator. Okay, so together we can calculate. Okay, $5.50 times 5 is $27.50. $27.50 plus 1 packet for free, whichever kind of mochi you want. Okay, I got 2 mochi available at the moment. Okay?
Guys, it's halal
halal.
side.
Halal.
Should I go closer? This is the halal
No,
side.
eat like 10 years never
Okay,
eat.
Adi, halal. Okay. All these are halal, guys.
Yes, God, confirm halal. Okay, confirm halal. The taste also halal.
Directly
The taste is
from
very delicious.
Malaysia. So everything's halal.
It's
Okay?
everything halal.
Everything from Malaysia.
Let me try the gula melaka for you. I think you all will like the gula melaka also. Okay? I believe a lot of Singaporeans like durian mochi. But how about gula melaka? Have you all tried before or not? Okay? Free to try. You can actually explore and try any kind of flavors that we have. For example, this is the gula melaka that we have. Okay? This is coconut shavings. Okay, you can see coconut shavings. Alright, and once you bite it, there is gula melaka inside. Okay, it's a new flavor. New flavor. Okay, let me try again and show you. Wait, I'm very excited whenever I bite something. Then I show it inside. It's like a surprising kind of an event. This time, give me one. Okay lah, I take each of everything. Wow, Adi, thank you. Wait There's this one thing here inside. Let me show you. Okay, there's this one thing inside. There's a gula melaka. What is this black stuff inside? Also a gula melaka. Okay, this one is also gula melaka. Okay, so once you bite the whole thing, right, you will see the whole flavor in it. Mixture of there's a flour outside, and this one is the coconut shaving. Okay, the taste of it, mixture of all these things are all out. You eat everything, one whole chunk is the best. It's not very sweet. Okay. I'm a kind of person who likes sweet but not very sweet. Okay. Gula melaka is typical for being sweet, yes. Okay, but when you're eating mochi, it's already sweet. You eat gula melaka even sweeter. You're very scared. If like that, I don't want the gula melaka. It's too sweet for me. Okay. A lot of people actually have that kind of thinking. When they think about gula melaka, it's always sweet. Okay, too sweet. But gula melaka is actually inside. When I tried it just now, okay, I can tahan the sweetness because the mixture of the flour and the gula melaka inside, right, is so balanced, right, that you can even eat probably the whole box itself. Okay, for me, I think one whole box I can finish. Okay, this whole thing, all $5.50 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same thing. Okay, 5 packet, whichever the one I showed you just now. Other than the tulang mooncake. Tulang mooncake is different price. This one 550. Ota bun. Ota is from Muar. Okay. Gula melaka. Durian mochi, the one I'm showcasing to you right now. If you want to order, this is the one that we are currently available. Any other flavors that we have? Only this two for now.
For now, yes.
Okay, for now these are the flavors that we have. Probably next week, okay, we will have another live. We will showcase you more flavors. Okay, because the rest we try to showcase through online. People actually order until sold out. Okay, the durian we order extra and gula melaka because this one is very popular in Singaporeans. Okay, the rest of the flavors that we have, you stay tuned with us next week as again. We will have black sesame, mango peanut, strawberry cheese, palm sugar. I think is the gula melaka itself. Okay, matcha durian cheese also we may have in the next week. Okay, next week live. Alright, same thing. $5.50. 5 pieces equals 1 packet for free. Okay, same thing. Alright, so this is the gula melaka I showed you, right? It's actually quite tasty. Inside, very soft. So this is best if you put it in the freezer. So you can taste the gula melaka inside also very cooling. Okay, have you all tried taste the gula melaka also very cooling at the same time? Okay, but not too sweet. Too sweet to the point you eat one only, you don't want to eat anymore. Okay, they really make that way. It's a pure gula melaka. It's healthy compared to a normal sugar. Okay, it's well known in Malaysia as well. It's well known with Singaporeans. Okay, it's called a palm sugar mochi. Okay, it came from palm. Okay, palm sugar. Alright. So again, those people who already like and share for me, comment LNS. So at least we can see. Now we are on our 30-minute of live. Later, before we end my live, I'm gonna do for 1 hour, around 1 hour. Okay. We will do like and share lucky draw. Okay, comment LNS once you're done. I give free, no charge. durian mochi, but this one you need to either self-collect or delivery. This one can self-collect or not? If they win, like and share, or they need to do delivery.
Both can.
Both can, okay? As long as you help me like and share, okay? Spread the word, because today, really good deal, 5 packet, 1 free packet, and the price is already very good. So it's in a way, you see, 550, let's say all the mochis I have and the ota bun, 1 whole packet, 550 only, 1 each 550, okay? Times 5 pieces, you get 1 more for free, okay? You get $27.50 instead of $33. How much you save, okay? You save about $5.50 lah, okay? So it's actually very, very cheap, okay? On top of that, if let's say you want to get all the things, all different kind of flavors. Let's say I want mochi, I want this, I want that, okay? Mix together, okay? For me, personally, I will try 2 ota, okay? 2 packet of this, okay? 1 of this, alright? So that's 3 already, right? You need 2 more, then you get 1 more, right? I get 2 of this and additional of this. Okay, so all in total, these 3 are only $27.50. But I get 6 box or 6 packets in total. Okay, that is really, really good deal. Okay, for today, really, really good deal. And see how it looks like right now in front of you. I just calling your name, just order. You try it and you will know it. You can try 1 packet, no problem. Okay, you can try 5 packet and additional 1, also no problem. Okay, but once you try it, you like it, you can still order more. Okay, you can share it with your friends, inform your friends. Hey, this actually are from what do you call it, Boss Singapore. From Boss Singapore, the taste is really good. Okay, they actually are having some promotional, which is 5 packets, 1 for free. Okay, and you will know from there already. Okay, and your friend also will like, hey, thank you so much, you recommend me this. Okay, because I'm craving for ota. Okay, I'm craving for mua. Okay, ota from mua. Okay, in Chinese is what the word? Chinese in mua is what? What's the Chinese one?
Mapo.
Mapo. Okay, mapo. Okay, that's in Chinese. Alright, like and share already. Thank you, Jovi. Okay, so this thing. And these 3 things I showcased you. I also had this. I have showcased earlier. I'm not sure whether you're still around. Probably went in and went out. Went in and went out. Probably another batch ready. This one is a total of 3 of these. I cut into half just to show you the egg yolk. Okay, the egg yolk just dropped. Okay, this one a total of 3 of this inside 1 box. Alright. If without the egg yolk, it's $8. Okay, 18. Alright, with the egg yolk is 19. Total of 3 of this. Okay, so total of 6 lah if you cut into 2 lah. Okay, total of 6 if you cut into 2. Alright, if with the egg yolk, it's additional $1. So why not you get the additional egg yolk? Because egg yolk itself, it tastes really good itself. Alright, so now Mooncake Festival is when? Mooncake Festival is when? Next Saturday. Yeah, next Saturday already, Mooncake Festival. Alright, so you want to enjoy with your family here and there, you can get the Kluang Mooncake. Okay, it's a promotional price. We have 3 flavors for Kluang Mooncake. It's a short crust. It's actually a short crust mooncake. You can actually taste the crust on the top, but yet it melts in your mouth together once you have a bite on it. If only I can show you a picture of it. It's really, really good. Got pandan, lotus, and red bean. 3 different flavors. Okay. Sorry, I have not asked yet. The flavors can mix together in 1 box or not?
The standard 3.
Standard 3. On 1 box is those 3 flavors
Yes,
already.
yes.
Oh, on 1 box got 3 flavors inside already. Okay, so you can enjoy and try for the whole thing. Okay, I thought it's 1 box. Okay, 1 box is only 3 pandan, 3 lotus, 3 red bean. No, in 1 box or with the egg yolk. Okay, if you want to ask me any question, you can just ask me. Alright, or you can just inbox us for any questions, or you can just WhatsApp if you want to order 8607-7107. Okay, you can see from here. You all can see, right? Alright, so just now I have eaten an ota. I'm not sure whether you all see it just now. Okay, let me try to zoom out and show you. Okay, it looks like this. Alright, 1 whole chunk like this, right? Okay, it's very soft. Okay, in fact, if you steam it again, it's a bit cold already because just now I already took out and I ate one whole chunk of it. Okay, here's another chunk. I want to show you the size of it. Right, you see the palm of my size, my palm size. Okay, just nice for you to just bite. See? It's full of otak.
Pin the favorite.
Okay? It's full of otak. Oh my goodness.
Pin the favorite.
Very nice. Okay? This one is from Mua. The otak is from Mua. Alright? All the flavors I'm showing you right now, right, are all halal. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Okay? This one,
No.
inside one packet, again,
Chang Ximing, what do you mean by favorite? Favorite what?
favorite which one?
Say pin the favorite. Pin, what's your favorite? Or is it your favorite?
My favorite, my favorite for me, is durian mochi. Sorry, because I love durian. My favorite from everything here, durian mochi. That's what I can say. Gula Melaka surprisingly very good. But honestly, right, when I go to Malaysia, I try Gula Melaka. Sometimes too sweet for me. I don't like. Okay? But this one, for some reason, right, they try to mix it together inside the mochi, right, that is not too sweet. Okay? To the point that you will think that it's sweet. You can taste the Gula Melaka is healthier than normal sugar. But yet, it's still delicious. Otak is my second favorite over here, the one I tasted. Okay? It's soft. The spice, the
now
spice
selling.
inside is really delicious. Huh?
Pin those that you all are selling.
Oh, pin the selling Oh, yeah, no problem. Okay, help me. So at least, for example, currently I'm taking out the otak bun. You can pin the otak bun, something like that. Okay, then next one we go to the mooncake, then can post the mooncake. Though these people will get confused. Okay, so once you're eating this, you can just enjoy with your family. You talk to them, especially when they visit you. Okay, you can share with them because this one you can just freeze it up. Okay, no problem. Freeze it up and stay for a few months. Okay, few months to 1 year. As long as it's frozen, it can last longer. Okay, this one can put it on your water. Put the water. Then after that, sometimes when I steam a bread, right, I bun. Okay, I put in one pot. Okay, let's say I don't have a steamer. I put in one pot. Then I put one what do you call this? A base, and then a bowl. Okay, then I put it on top of the bowl. Then I close it and I try to steam it for 1 to 5 minutes. Okay, depends on how long you want to steam it. Okay, how frozen it still is. Okay, best before you steam it, you thaw it first, THAW, so that it's not frozen. Once you actually try to de-steam it, right? Okay, you steam it already, the water will not spread out. Okay, so that at least you will taste the whole thing itself. Okay, not too frozen itself. Okay. Very nice. Alright, again 550 for each of the mochi and otak. Okay, if you want the otak itself, right, we have here one whole thing like this, right? Okay, it's $4 only. Okay, I'll show you from while I'm eating this. Okay, one whole thing. This one is from Mua, MUAR. Very popular in Malaysia. This otak itself, the whole thing, $4. You can mix it together with rice, buns. Okay, what else do you actually mix otak from? And very simple, you just have to steam it and that's it. You can start eating it already. Normally this one I buy from mixed rice store. It will cost you already how much? $1. Then it's only very few slices. Okay, very small slice. $1, $2 already will charge you. Okay, this whole chunk is only $4. Okay, whole chunk, probably you get a few slices already until you get sick of it. Okay, but to me I will never get sick of it. I will just keep eating and eating and eating. Okay, you can just keep eating. Sorry, just come in. Is the food already to eat out of the box if you have to steam it first or something like that? Have to steam it first, Have to steam it first better, right? Yeah, have to steam it first, then after that you can eat. Okay? Have to steam it first, then you can eat. Thank you, Nicholas, for liking and sharing. Okay, thank you, Chang Su Mei, for your order. 2 durian and 2 otak bun. Hey, Chang Su Mei, you want one more, then we give you another packet for free. Yeah. Cause you get 5 packet, right? You get 5 boxes. Okay, whether this one or this one, I give you 1 packet or box for free, whichever. Whether you want Gula Melaka, durian mochi, or otak bun. Okay, so all the $5.50 now can mix and match. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Very nice.
You leave some for me.
This one is like, oh sorry, finished already. Probably this one I share with you. Okay, because you see when it comes to otak. Okay, if the bun is too much, then the otak very little inside, right? It's not satisfying. This one is like just nice, the size of it, the otak size and the bun itself. It's really just nice. You can taste the mixture, the mixture together. Okay, let me try to drink water first. You can see the mixture together, the top, the bottom. Okay, you eat it. You just bite it together. You will see you will inside your mouth. You will taste all the different flavors on it. Together with the otah and the bun. Okay, the bun itself, of course, it comes with its own flavor already. Okay, but with the otah itself, right, the saltiness, a bit of spiciness, this and that, it's just all good. Okay, when you mix together. Okay, again, we got 6 buns with otah from Mua. Okay, I don't know if I pronounced it correctly. Okay, this one 550. Get 5 packet. Get 1 for free. Okay, you can mix it with the durian mochi. Also got 6 pieces inside. Also 550. Or gula melaka. Also 550. You can mix and match all together. You get 5 different kind of things mixture together. You get 1 for free. You can choose. Like me, I mentioned just now, I will get 2 of this. Okay, if me, I will buy 1 of this, and then I get 2 durian mochis. This is my top favorite here. Plus 1 for free, right? Then I get 1 more box of this. Okay. So as I always mention, I will always bring you all to the good deals. That's why this whole thing itself over here, right, are all good deal. Okay. The taste itself, I taste for myself, right. I also know. Okay. Usually during normal auction, just always complain hungry after 2 hours. Now I cannot complain already, correct, Adi? Okay. Correct, correct. Now I cannot complain because I'm eating at the same time. Okay. Hey, how come you pin? I thought you pin this comment. Okay, this is my last bite. I still haven't finished the durian mochi. Those people have not able to see. I eat 2 pieces. 1 piece already. The other 4 pieces before we even start, we have tried already. It's really nice. You will not want to try it. Because no harm trying, okay? You see, when it comes to trying, especially new things, right, you will tend to appreciate it, okay? Because you will know that, hey, lucky I tried this, lucky I tried that. At least you know which one is the good one, which one is the okay one, which one is the not bad one, okay? I know a lot of friends, right, they try to try this, then they will know, okay, this one is the best, okay? But if you stick to one, let's say, oh, I always order this one, okay, I cannot order from you, I always order this one is the best really. But how will you know the rest are good? How you know the rest are even better? Okay? By just tasting one thing at a time, right? Why not you try the whole thing? Okay? Why not you try someone, for example, this thing itself, that, then at least you will know which one is the best. Okay? That's what I do personally to myself. Okay, I want to order 1 box of square mooncake without egg yolk thing. Okay, thank you, Maria. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will pass you 1 the tuang mooncake. The mooncake is very nice. 1 box, $18. You got 3 already inside. Okay, 3 flavors: pandan, lotus, and red bean. Okay, pandan, lotus, and red bean. Okay, this one I'll show you. The egg yolk.
Ask them to WhatsApp.
Ask him to direct WhatsApp.
Okay, this 1 whole thing here. Okay, it's 1 already.
Ask them direct.
Okay, WhatsApp order 8607
We will be missing.
7107. Okay, WhatsApp because we might miss out your orders. Okay, you see this 1 whole thing here is considered 1 inside the box. Okay, meaning to say you still have 2 more flavors. This flavor itself, right, is lotus. Okay, we still have red bean. Okay, we still have pandan. Okay, we still have pandan.
What's the number again?
Alright,
8607.
8607 that is the order number. Okay, so again I suggest if you order the $5.50 promo, please buy 5 packet or 5 boxes, okay, or mix with packet and box, because why? It's more worth it. You can get 1 for free. On top of that, imagine if you won like and share lucky draw, then you got 7 in total. Okay, so the delivery is only $6, island wide delivery, no problem. But if you spend $100 and above, I give you free delivery. Okay, so normally people actually try this, try that lah. Okay, I don't mind paying the $6 lah, you know. Or I self collect also can. Okay, self collection that way again. What's the complete address here? Self collection.
Self-collection can.
Okay, self-collect can, okay, probably we can comment the self-collection address, admin. Self-collection address, we comment. Okay, just what Jin Yap, hello, I cannot read. What did he say? Jin Yap say what?
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, hello, hi everybody. Thank you for staying with me. I'm actually eating right now in front of you. It's really, really good. Okay, I got durian, I got gula melaka. Next week we are gonna have more flavors. Next week I'm very excited to show you more mochi flavors. We got black sesame, mango peanut, matcha red bean, matcha durian cheese, strawberry cheese. Got more things for me to show you next week. Okay, but for today, I'm showing you durian is my favorite for today. Gula melaka is so good, right? That to the point that you eat, you can still keep eating more. Okay, Ota bun is the one that surprises me because I love Ota. Naturally, I do love Ota a lot. Okay, I see that on the road, you know, they put it on the pandan leaf, right? Then after that, you go and take a slice of it. Then it's not enough for me, you know. I take a slice of it, somehow it's very thin, you know. Inside one pandan leaf, is super thin. Then you get one more. Forever not enough. And how much is it normally? How much is it normally one pandan leaf in Singapore? The one Ota with pandan leaf? $1 plus, right? Or is it?
The
stick? Yeah, the stick one. How much is it normally?
I don't know, last I think 70-80 cents.
Yeah, 70-80 cents, okay? Then some more the Ota, they're very thin, right? Okay, why not you get a whole chunk like this, $4? Okay, the whole chunk. Okay, you can get this whole chunk only for $4. Then you can keep eating. Or you like buns, alright, you get the bun itself. You got 6 pieces already inside. Then this one is very easy, I just have to steam it, okay? Again, just steam it. Durian mochi, no need to steam, okay? Don't try to put a durian mochi in a steam, to steam, okay? All our mochi today, right? All are ready to eat. Put in a freezer, okay? You feel like eating? Okay, no problem. Bring up and try to let it, because it's from freezer, let it thaw first until soft. Then you can just start eating it, okay? Make sure that it's still cold, okay? Make sure that it's still cold because it tastes more strong that way, okay? So, the mooncake itself is already ready to eat. Okay, mooncake is ready to eat. No need to put in the freezer. If you want to put in a fridge, yes. But freezer, not recommended. Okay, normally you put it in a normal fridge. Okay. Then after that, you can just take it out, eat it. Okay, no need to do thawing. You're hungry, you want to watch your Netflix. You can just sit down and just start eating your mooncake. Okay, that's it. Very easy and simple. And it comes with a crust. Okay, normal mooncake is the soft kind, right? When you bite it, a bit too jalat when you taste it. Okay, is it the word jalat? Okay, so mooncake itself, it depends on what you like. Okay, for me personally, right, I like the one with crust. Okay, because the taste of it, right, you can just keep eating it without feeling jalat. Okay, this one is the egg yolk I already eaten. This is they call it pandan. Okay, outside and inside you can see there's a different kind of crust. There is a bit soft in the middle. Okay, that is the pandan itself. The crust is outside. Then the color also different. Okay, you will get 3 different kind of flavors in one box already. But they have a sample of one box, then I can show them like this. Ama, do I have one box then I can show them like this? Like,
One box of what? One box of what?
One box of this. And show them. Like inside one box, how it looks like. Okay, you can see it's 3 pieces of this all different flavors. Okay, like this. I cut into 2 just to show you the egg yolk. That's why I cut it like this. Okay, not 3 pieces of 1, 2, 3 no Okay, 1 chunk of this you will get 1, 2, 3 in total 1 box. Okay, only for 18 per box. Okay, without the egg yolk is 18. With egg yolk is 19. Also out already, that's why. Oh, no wonder. Okay, but now, this coming Saturday, mooncake, if you like, with the crust. Very delicious. No wonder, so out already. Okay, we are already sold out. You can pre-order if you want to. You can just WhatsApp 8607-7107. WhatsApp to that number. Then you can pre-order for this coming Saturday will be coming. Okay, you can self-collect or you can do delivery only $6. Alright, so guys, have you all helped me like and share yet? Because we're going to do my like and share lucky draw soon. Okay, have you all? Jalad, not Jalad. Jalad. Hi Jess and Ama and all buddies. Hi Victor. Nice to see you all here. Thank you for staying with me. Okay, if you want to order again, must be here. Okay, can comment also, but we might miss out. That's why. Okay, got few orders just now. Okay, 8607-7107. Okay, you can see from the screen. Okay, this is the one that you ordered. Okay, that number itself. Okay, so again it's not jalat. It's jalat. Okay, they don't pronounce it correctly. It's jalat. Okay, when you eat the normal mooncake it's a bit jalat because it's too creamy, too sweet, you know, too much things on the top itself. But if you like something like a bit balanced, okay, you can still eat the whole chunk of it, right? This one is for those people like me lah. Okay, I cannot eat the whole thing because to me too sweet for me sometimes I get a sore throat. Okay, for me alright, so that's why I keep eating water. I keep drinking water. Okay, I keep drinking water. I drink water, right? Then at least it will be balanced. Okay, I suggest if you all eat this kind of things, especially if the normal kind of mooncake you drink more water. Very important. Okay. So like and share. Thank you, Victor. Okay, I realize when you do like and share on a normal page, like my page right now, okay, cannot see a share tag. Never mind, okay, I trust you all. You got share for me, good enough for me. If you can share to groups and more groups, then it will be better. Okay, we are going to do like and share soon within 5 minutes. Okay, I wait for you all. For now, if you have any questions, okay, for last minute people who just came in, you are asking me $5.50 for one box for 6 of this mochi. Okay, like just now I ate already 6 pieces, $5.50, 5 boxes mix and match including the otah. What's all $5.50 only? You can get 1 packet or box for free. Okay, you can just choose which one you want. Alright. So again those orders must WhatsApp. Okay, I don't know whether you all can still see. Okay, over here. Must WhatsApp Okay, no WhatsApp you might miss out through comments. Okay, but you can still comment, no problem. Okay, you can comment there after your WhatsApp. At least we can be aware that okay, this person actually have ordered. Okay, so yeah, we have another one of this. Oh yeah, this one we have steamed another otah bun for you. So this is the one. You can see how soft it is. You see, I shake like this. You can see how soft. Okay, this one is just steamed, just steamed. All right, you can see. See the otah? How huge is the otah inside? You can see. It's the whole thing all the way here. Okay. All the way here. It's not like over here only outside, very funny one. It's the whole thing inside. Okay? Delicious. Alright? Okay, so help me like and share. Okay, you need to stay with me. Later I do like and share. You can win durian mochi. Okay, 1 box of durian mochi. You can get this through delivery or you can get this through self-collection. I think here is Chinatown, right? Self-collection. People's Park Center. People's Park Center. You can self-collect at People's Park Center. So you are nearby, you're very lucky. You win like and share lucky draw, you can get 1 of this. You can just come down and taste. Then you like it, you can order. Okay, then you can share with your friends. Alright. So that's what I actually love the most. Sharing. Okay, sharing is always caring. Then you share with your friends will appreciate it. Okay, why not you share? Okay, same thing as sharing on Facebook. I say, hey Jessica or Jess are actually sharing some good deals today. 5 box or packet, get 1 for free. That's how more the price is good. Okay, so how come no share it? I also don't know. Here a normal kind of Facebook page or account, right? I think no share tag unless we use a page itself. Okay. Amma is eating right now.
Yeah, very nice.
He's enjoying it right now.
It's very nice, guys. If I can show you my face.
Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice, really. Trust me, I tried before.
Must eat with the bun and the otah. It's so soft, you see?
You see, you show the bun, you show the otah. It's so full of otah. Really worth it.
Stick to it.
Honestly, really. It's like additional $1.50. Okay, you get the bun together already. These $4. Okay, for those people who don't like the bun, who don't like buns, you can get the whole chunk of otah instead. Okay, the otah is really good. I tried the one otah at NTUC. I'm not saying that otah at NTUC is not good.
Can you see the smoke?
But
I don't know if you can see. So sorry.
But this one that I'm tasting here right now, it does not taste like frozen, firstly, even though we put it in the freezer. Okay, once I taste it, there's a kick of a spice, but it's not spicy. Not like, I need to drink water, that kind of thing. Okay, you can feel it, you can taste it, okay, but you can still keep eating it, okay, without keep drinking water. Okay, you see another person eating already. Hungry already, right? Okay, if I make you all hungry, meaning to say I did my job properly. Okay, meaning to say the deliciousness of it, right? It came through this phone. Okay, just like drooling when see Amma eat. Yeah lah, I see the food like nice, but no problem. I also got for myself. Yeah. Okay. So you want to get for yourself also can. Alright. So we are going to do like and share lucky draw already. Are you all around? Are you all around? Okay, have you all comment LNS already? Have you all comment LNS? Okay, we are going to do like and share draw already. You need to be around. Okay, you want to win durian mochi? Let me show you a durian mochi. For the last time, I show you. Okay, let me show you. It looks like this, Okay, now it's already out of the freezer. But if let's say you just take it outside of the freezer, of course it will be harder. Okay, then after you thaw, you will see and feel it yourself. Okay, you see, it's so soft. Oh my god, you see, it's actually going through my finger. Oh my god. Okay, so once I bite, I bite for you. Okay. Wait, I bite, Yeah, durian. This is full of durian, You see? Full of durian. Okay? Oh my god, this is like a happy food. Okay, they call it a happy food. Make you feel contented, make you feel happy. Your stress, you eat food. Okay? Because it's worth it. Alright? Your stress, you eat food because it's worth it. It makes you feel full. Okay? On top of that, I give you good discount. Okay? So, we're going to do light and share lucky draw. Are you all still around? Okay? So, if you're not around now, you cannot win the light and share lucky draw. Alright? So, I only see empty mochi plastic only left. This one, right? Eat until so much. Hey, you see, even me, I can eat the whole thing one. I don't mind.
You're taking so long to eat.
It's still my food, oh my god. Okay.
It's really very nice. This is my second round. Second round. You see me going for my third, fourth, fifth round later.
Okay. Now, let's do like and share lucky draw. Alright, we will see who will be the winner. Oh my god, the durian mochi is like almost like reminds me of Mao Shao Wang. Okay, but this one is sweeter than Mao Shao Wang. Okay, this one is sweeter than Mao Shao Wang. Mao Shao Wang got a bit of bitterness. Okay, this one is sweeter than Mao Shao Wang, but reminds me of Mao Shao Wang that I tried one of the live auction that I did. Okay, so now let's do like and share lucky draw. Alright, we do a guessing game lah. Make it more interesting. Okay, guessing game, eh? Huh? Guessing game? Guessing game.
My brain freeze.
Huh?
Brain freeze.
Your brain freeze. Okay, never mind. We do a guessing game, let's see.
It's steaming right now.
Huh?
It's steaming
What's steaming?
my brain.
What's steaming your brain? Your steaming what's your brain? Do you have a pen? Okay, you guess for me a number lah, easier lah. A bit boring like that. But never mind, I guess for me a number. 1 to 50.
You the 40.
Okay. Yeah, 40 number. Okay, I put number. Okay, 1 to 50. You guess for me. You can win durian mochi. Okay, just comment right now. Okay, like and share done. Thank you, Karen. Y'all want durian mochi? I give you durian mochi. Okay, just comment a number. We will see who will be the winner. I will give this for free. Okay, I show you. In one box, it looks like this. Okay, now we just took it out from the freezer. Okay, comment a number. If you can guess the number correctly, I can give you this one whole thing for free. Okay. Alright. So where's my paper? Oh, my paper here. Okay, I guess the number, and that's the number. Alright, just guess. Continue guessing. The first person who can guess it correctly can win durian mochi box. Okay, here in front of you right now. Okay, I can see 3, 5, 45, 14, 4, 39, 19, 15, 25, 19. Okay, not yet. Just continue guessing. Okay, just continue guessing. Alright, so if you can guess it correctly, I give you this one for you. Okay, this one for you. Okay, for free. No need to spend anything. But once you try it already, right? Okay, you agreed what I said is really good. Okay, you can start supporting us already. Okay, so if you want to support us together with the like and share, also can lah. That one, no, I cannot stop you lah, because I know you. The price is really good. Okay, and everything. Okay, so we will see. Okay, on my side. Okay, I saw the winner already, but I'm gonna scroll for you. Okay, Adiko is the winner. Okay, you check from your side. Adiko is the winner.
What's the number?
On my side, 33. You check on your side. Is the first one also on your side?
Wait. There's so
Okay, we will double check on admin side also cause on my side is Adi Ko. Adi, right? Adi, you're the winner on admin side also Okay, on admin side also, Adi is the winner. Okay, let us pin I'm not pin already. Okay, so he's the first one who put 33. He is the first one who put 33 on admin side, on my side, so it's confirmed. Okay, so those people who put 33, okay, there's a bit of lag but you can see I already shown you. Normally the lag on live video is about 10 to 15 second lag. Okay, but so probably when I show you like that, right, it's after people put numbers ready, a lot of numbers ready. Then I'll say, yeah, I'll also put this number. Okay, I'm the first one before you even mention. Okay, actually there's an first person actually mentioned to you that number itself. Okay, Mr. Cool, congratulations. Yeah, no need double check. Yeah, because I want to be fair. Normally when I do live, right, during live some people actually say, oh, I'm the first one, I'm this and that, but you need to be aware that during live there's a 10 to 15 second lag and the person might have put all the way on the top already before you even put. Okay, so thank you so much guys for the support. Okay, so again I'm gonna have a browse through again those people who still want to order. Okay, Gula Melaka Durian Mochi is what I showcase you. Next week I will gonna showcase you more mochi. Okay, inform this to your friends. Next week we have the same price but different kind of showcase. Okay, probably I still showcase you durian and Gula Melaka but more mochis. Alright, we have a moon cake. Okay, we have a moon cake as well, but let me browse through all the things. Firstly, I show you what's the otah. Okay, firstly I show you what's the otah bun. Okay, this one is a steam one, very filled kind of otah. Okay, $5.50. Okay, I show you at first. Alright, secondly, I showed you what's the otah itself, $4 only. Okay, this one is otah from Muar. Okay, all the otah that I'm showcasing you today, right, is from Muar. Okay, thirdly, right, I showcase you what's the mochi that I have for showcase. The mooncake was sold out today's live. Okay, the mooncake this coming Saturday, right, we will be showcasing, we will be topping up. Okay, so those people want to order, later I'll show you the mooncake itself. The mochi that I showcase you is Gula Melaka and durian mochi. Okay, it's really delicious. You can order this $5.50 per box. You got 6 pieces of mochi inside. All the $5.50 that I mentioned to you today, this one, this, and this is $5.50 only per box or packet. 5 of it plus 1 for free. You get 5. I give you 1 for free. So meaning to say, you get 2 durian, 3 Gula Melaka, I give you 1 for free. You can choose this one. Okay? You can choose this one. Alright. Then mooncake. This coming Saturday, you can choose which mooncake you want with my paper. Okay? We have a 3 of this mooncake itself. This one, without the egg yolk, is only $18. $19 with the egg yolk. Okay, this whole chunk like this is 1 piece itself. Okay, the egg yolk look like this.
This Friday, other flavors only these two.
Okay, this Friday.
Yeah, this Friday.
This coming Friday,
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let me show you first. This coming Friday, we will have a durian, black sesame, mango, peanut, strawberry cheese, and palm sugar. The matcha durian cheese and matcha red bean still on the way. No stock, yeah, no stock at all. Okay, this one don't find us, don't find for us. This only strawberry cheese, palm sugar, peanut, black sesame, and mango. Okay, this one you all can order this coming Friday. But today, if you want to order, you can get durian mochi and Gula Melaka. Delivery is this coming Friday as well.
Today can order everything.
Today can order what? Everything. Oh, can order everything ready. Okay, today can order everything ready. Today can order everything ready. So sorry, but if you want to self-collect, you can self-collect today. But delivery is only this coming Friday. Okay, delivery is only this coming Friday for the one I mentioned to you for mochi. Okay, thank you so much everybody for staying with me. I'll see you next week for the same thing. Okay, but different kind of flavors for mochi. Okay, the promotion probably we can
Maria, additional order.
yeah, additional order for me 5 plus 1 free. Can Maria please WhatsApp us? WhatsApp us. Those people want order, I show you. WhatsApp us at 8607 7107. Okay, this one is for the orders. and you want to check more about our promotion, you can check www.bosssingapore.com. Okay, you can all see on the screen or not? Over there. There. Okay. Alright, thank you so much, guys. I will see you next week. Yeah. Alright. So I suggest y'all come down and see us, okay? Come down and self-collect so that you can able to see more flavors and see the feel of it and look at it. Okay? Then before you actually decide which flavor you want. Okay? Just self-collect also will do. You can just WhatsApp and arrange for appointment. Okay? Thank you everybody. Thank you for the support for my very first live on my own Facebook account. Yeah, very first. Alright. Take care everybody. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Finish. Bye bye.